Welcome back to Mr. I Got Something to Say, aka Gangster Turn Junker. Now in this video, you're gonna learn how to put a Mach 1 chin spoiler on your 2003-2004 Panther platform Mercury Marauder, guys. And let me turn this camera around. Let's get to it. Yeah, guys, so you see it. So this is very simple, very easy. Don't overthink it. You're gonna need a drill to drill your holes, different size bits. These bolts, screws, and washers come with the Mach 1 chin spoiler, guys. So we're gonna get this thing bolted up, and like I said, guys, get her looking good. One of the first things you're gonna want to do, I've already done it. So this is the center of your bumper. This is the center of the Mach 1 chin spoiler. How do you know that? Is because this bolt, this circle, was made different from these to let you know this is the center. So all you got to do is to keep it simple. This hole with this line here, guys. So you got nothing there. 1, 2, 3, nothing here. So nothing here, nothing here. Here's the middle right there, guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line this up with that, however you want it, up under. I'm gonna get mine about right there flush, and I'm gonna get that hole done and tighten up, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I know you guys might be wondering, why does he have on a hoodie and it's 90 degrees outside? For one, I'm laying on the ground. For two, I stay cool when I wear hoodies, but I got it jacked up. Like I said, guys, this is very simple. Don't overthink it. Drill your holes, put your bolts in, keep it moving. So get here, line up our hole, which is right there, right where I put that line at. Come in about right here. And then reverse it. Boom. That easy, guys. Grab your bolt, your nuts and your bolts. Put that in there. Yep, I like how that fits right there. It's nice and snug. We're gonna grab a washer, and we're gonna grab a nut. I think these are 8mm nuts. Let's grab our spoiler. Let's go ahead and get our washer on, and put it through here, like so. Put that through there. And what we're gonna do, take our time, and we're gonna screw that up, guys. Take your time, screw it up. And like I said, I will let you know, you guys know the size of the drill bit that I use, guys. Yep. So I'm gonna get my automatic full way for the bit to make that go fast. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Got my full way on, Phillips. Got that on there. Come in with your bolt. Take your time. And like I said, guys, the bit that I used. Yep. Okay. So what I said I did was the bit that I used to get it tight. Cool. So let me show you guys what it look like. So right there in the middle, boom, I get that on there. And as I go all the way around and put the other ones on, it's gonna look clean and flush. So bear with me, guys, man. Like I said, man, these videos that y'all watching, this is my first time really doing these type of videos as far as step-by-step videos, but we're gonna get it done, guys, so bear with me. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we on the roll. So what I did was the 8mm for your nuts that's going on your bolts. I have the good one. where, you know, the ratchet head's in there. So all I gotta do is hold it up in there as I drill in, and it's 2 birds with 1 stone that locks it down. So cool. So we got a 4-way out. Going to put back in our drill bit, and the drill bit size is gonna be a 732s, guys. 732s. That's what you're gonna need. Cool. So lay it back down on this next one. Got it. Come on back down clean. Get your nut, get your bolt, get your washer. So you're gonna do washer, bolt. Get that in there, get it started. Take that off. And like I said, yes, as long as you got the right tools, these kind of jobs are very easy, guys. Very easy. So get that up in there. Slow down there. Go ahead. Put your nut. Hold on. I might have to go up just a little more, guys. Come on, baby. Now, get your nut started. I want to thank you guys for tuning in too, man. Being patient, man. Being patient. Okay, cool. Put my 8mm on there. Get it on. Now let's zip it on up, guys. Nope. Yep. And she's on there tight, guys. So turn it around, let you guys see it. See how flush it is when you do it. And like I said, pretty much, guys, I'm gonna have to go all the way around, guys. But we'll get it done though. And then when I'm done, I'll let you see what it looks like up in the inside. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so we out here getting it done. Got one side on flush. It looks very good. Check it out. So that side's off. This side is on all the way around, baby. Flush. Oh, don't look at that. I landed on perfect, baby. Perfect. Take your time. It's not rocket science, guys. So like I said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, get this other side on, and I'll hit y'all right back. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So, hey, guys, it started raining on us, but guess what? I didn't give up. I got it done for you guys, man. So, y'all see what it look like with all the lights on, the bumper on the bottom, the spoiler on the bottom. Like I said, it is the Mach 1 spoiler. So I'm gonna turn it around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. And I am going to add, I'm thinking I'm gonna add a little bit of paint to it, guys. I don't know if I'm just gonna keep it all black. I think, like I said, I'm gonna do, my brake calipers, guys, yellow. You see it, guys? You see it, guys? For 63 bucks, guys. 63 bucks. Got that thing looking mean and clean, guys. So like I said, man, y'all drop a comment, man. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, guys, so thanks for tuning in to Mr. I Got Something to Say, aka Gangster Turn Junker. Like I said, man, we got our foot on the gas. We gonna keep it on y'all neck. We're gonna bring content after content after content, video after video. Like I said, man, if this is your first time coming across the platform, help the platform out. Like, share, and subscribe. And comment, man. Let me know what y'all want to see done to this car. Let me know what we can do to improve the look of the car, guys. We all ears, baby. We learning just like y'all learning, man. We love y'all. Peace.